Um, in doing a 1313 while I went back another banger unboxing. Today we're gonna be unboxing Home Alone, guys, Blu-ray plus DVD plus digital code, guys, from frickin' Walmart, guys. One of the scariest movies I've seen, guys. The greatest holiday family film ever, guys. Really scary, guys. Inordinately, just like a straw. Fuck. Okay, guys. God damn it. Wait. Can't open it, guys. Shit's impossible. Ah, god damn it. Think the garbage camera's flipped. So why the fuck not? Right? God damn it. Okay. Let's see what it looks like inside. Here it is. Free digital code. Right there. Redeem your movie right now, guys. From John Huggs. Heard of John Huggs? DVD Plus Blu-ray, guys. Worth it 105%. Yeah, guys. Really good movie. Another free code. I don't know if it's here. Yeah, I don't know. Guys, yeah. Better than the second one. Bye.